So I got asked about where I stay when I'm on the road, and I stay at the Chateau Planet Fitness. Oh, it's over there. I stay in their parking lot, and a couple strategies for that is that there's cars around, so I don't look suspicious. I've spent a couple nights at Walmart, but their internet's no good. And if you'll notice, here at the Planet Fitness, there's a cell tower right there. Get my Netflix. No problem. So I park with a strategy of if it's looking like it's going to be near 50 degrees for the day, I park facing the opposite direction that I am today so that the sun hits the front of the truck, because if not, it comes in this window and it is hot in there. When it's 50 degrees outside, I have to open the windows if it's a sunny day. It just heats right up. Today it is 25 degrees, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'm going to snuggle right into my sleeping bag and go to sleep. So I'm using the sun to my advantage to give me a little heat in there as well. I'm still toying around with the idea of how I'm going to heat this thing. If I'm even going to heat it, I don't know. I'm still loving living in this truck. You're also going to see that I went through a pretty good windstorm, and I've already sat through my first snowstorm, which wasn't huge, but it was still kind of cool. And I'll put all that footage in here too. My first day that it's snowing while I'm in my truck. No heat. I'm in my 0 degree sleeping bag. It's not that cold really anyways. It's, I don't know, in the 30s or so. I think that's a ketchup stain. So it's 34 degrees today for the high, and the sun was perfectly shining in the cap here. And with that happening, I had to pull my sleeping bag down a little bit. I didn't even zip it up today, so I just pulled it down a little, just sweatshirt. So I'm guessing it probably heated it up to above 60 degrees in here. I'm sure it's chilly right outside that window, but I just woke up. Now I'm gonna nap again until my alarm goes off and I have to go to work. So I'm at Kennebunk Turnpike rest stop again, and it is 19 degrees out. Watch this. No heat. But I'm fine. It says it feels like 11.8, I think is what it said, but that's probably a breeze, and I don't feel the breeze in here unless it comes in that little hole over there. Listen to this. My towel froze last night. Look. That's the one I used at the Planet Fitness last night. No big deal. So I'm gonna catch a few hours sleep and then head home. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe and click the bell for notifications.